need. Us mamas, we need something quick, we need something easy. Protein is what makes you feel full and satiated throughout the day. So, all right, good morning guys. I just finished my workout. Liv is awake. Mornings are always super stressful. So what I actually did on Sunday, which I never do, is I meal prepped some chia seed pudding and some baked oats, which are really delicious. I'm gonna have the baked oats this morning. I'll show you that. I'll grab that really quick. They've been a big hit with Doug and Liv and myself. So my best pre-workout and the thing that I do is I drink water in the morning and then I drink my coffee with the Vital Proteins Collagen Creamer. It's got 10 grams of protein in it. It makes me feel good. I can push really heavy in my workouts and I feel really good on this. And because it's morning, I don't feel like I need to eat before I work out. However, it is so important for me to fuel my body after I work out. So I'm gonna have one of these baked oatmeals, which I will show you. You want one too? Liv loves them too. I'm so glad I meal prepped this because Doug had to leave early this morning to go to work. So one of these slices of baked oatmeal, it's got protein powder, it's got peanut butter, it's got oats, a bunch of different stuff. I have the chia seed pudding and this oat recipe. I filmed them. They are being put up over on my Instagram. I'm CharleneTown_. So if you guys want those recipes, go check out Instagram for those recipes. But this guy right here has about 12 grams of protein. My goal is to hit 30 grams of protein this morning, so I'm gonna make 3 large eggs, which is 6 grams of protein each, and a handful of greens, and that will be my breakfast this morning. I will show you it all once it's ready, and I've got to get Liv's lunch made and get ready and get out the door. So let's get this going. Like I said, mornings can be so busy, especially when it's just me at home, feeding the dogs, making Liv's lunch, and just trying to get everything out. But I want to remind you, mamas out there, you are worthy of taking the time to make your breakfast, make your lunch, set yourself up for success. So one of the things that I do is I make sure to clean my kitchen, do the dishes while breakfast is cooking. That way the dishwasher's empty and I can just move along with my day. And making sure to eat high quality protein first thing in the morning, anywhere from 30 to 50 grams of protein first thing in the morning is gonna help keep me full, curb my sugar cravings, balance my blood sugar, and help me build lean muscle mass, which is what I'm going for. And as often as I possibly can, I love to sit down and eat breakfast with Liv and be really intentional and mindful with my breakfast. As a busy mom, you guys know sometimes we are eating on the go, but as often as possible of just sitting down and being present with my food helps so much, especially with sustainable weight loss. An official good morning. Welcome to the channel. What's up? If you guys are new, my name is Charlene Town. I talk all things health and fitness with the side that I have psoriatic arthritis. And so whether I'm doing clothing reviews or workouts or what I eat in a days, I am just trying to become the best version of myself, reduce inflammation levels. I try lots of different eating styles. I currently eat a paleo-based diet and I have since 2017 when I did an elimination diet. That's just what feels good for me and my body. But if you guys have been here for a little bit, you guys know that I've been working on reducing my cortisol levels. Let me scoot you guys in. I feel like we're really far away. So today's video is a what I eat in a day, trying to hit high protein, 30 grams of protein at every meal. As you guys saw earlier, it was a super easy breakfast this morning because on school days, that's what we need. Us mamas, we need something quick, we need something easy. So I meal prepped the baked oats. I also have some meal prepped chia seed pudding, which I filmed all that for Instagram. So go follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see those recipes. The baked oatmeal tastes like brownies. Y'all, it's so good. It's 9 o'clock now. I ate between 7 and like 7:45. I will show you guys what I have for lunch. I am going to be making a new low Fodmap chicken enchiladas. So if you guys are interested in seeing like a new recipe, stay tuned. We're gonna film that tonight for dinner. If what I eat in a day is something that's helpful for you, please know that this is never, like whenever I do it, what I eat in a day, it's never to be like, you should eat the way I eat. No, no, no. I just like to show you guys, this is what it looks like for me to eat this way. So you know what? You just wanna do what's best for you and your body. Always listen to your body. If this is content that is helpful for you, if you like what I eat in a days, let your girl know in the comments down below. If you guys are struggling today with chronic pain and chronic illness, I see you. Last week was a really tough week for me. This week just happens to be a really good week for me. And so I am here and I'm showing up. I've got to jump onto a call now, but I'm gonna go for a walk and then I will show you guys my lunch. All right, I just got back from my walk. I made my smoothie and I wanted to talk to you guys really quick about building your smoothie. I've talked about building a good smoothie on my channel for years. I've been using Tropeaka lean vanilla protein for years and years and years now. I love them. Something that I want to stress is that I want you to read your labels because 1 serving of protein, at least in this protein powder, is 2 tablespoons of the powder. However, that's only 17.4 grams of protein in 2 tablespoons. So it actually takes 2 servings of protein to hit my 30 grams of protein goal for this smoothie. Now that's a big difference. So years ago, I always followed the serving suggestion of the 2 tablespoons. And I always felt like my smoothie was more of a snack than a meal. It's because it didn't have enough protein in it. Now protein is what makes you feel full and satiated throughout the day. So if you're getting to the end of a meal and you're still hungry or you're craving something sweet after you eat, it's probably because you haven't eaten enough protein or you haven't eaten a balanced enough meal. I just realized I forgot my chia seeds. I brought my chia seeds, which is fine because I have chia seed pudding and I'll have that for a snack later, which I will show you guys. But I normally also add chia seeds or flaxseed to my smoothies. I had to take that out while I was dealing with my SIBO gut issues, but very slowly I've been incorporating that fiber back into my gut because your gut needs fiber, especially as women like 35 and older, we're getting into perimenopause and menopause, and fiber just helps get rid of all the extra hormones in your gut. So fiber is super important. I like to have greens because you need as many, like I'm trying to get in as much greens and veggies as I can throughout the day. So in every meal of my day, I try to incorporate a handful or 2 handfuls of greens. But yeah, so I've got my smoothie. I'm feeling so good, trying new things, trying to just be the very best version of myself as I can and sharing my journey with you along the way. I've got to drink this and go pick up Liv. I am home from picking Liv up from school and I am gonna have, I'm probably not gonna eat all of this, but this is my chia seed pudding that I made for the Instagram. I'm so happy to be able to eat chia seeds again. I love that. And I love this so much. So I'm gonna sit outside. I gotta make Liv a smoothie. I'm gonna sit outside, enjoy this in the sunshine. And then I'll see you guys when we make some chicken enchiladas. So. Hello, Phoebe. Hello. Hello. Gonna have dogs pitter-pattering around the kitchen and Liv will be running around shortly. We are gonna start making some dinner because it's that time of day.